Welcome to another new video about ChatGPT-4. OpenAI has launched the new version of ChatGPT, which contains huge and crazy updates. Let's find out about these huge updates. GPT-4, a large multimedia model, accepts image and text inputs and produces text output. Although less capable than humans in many real-world scenarios, delivers close to human performance on various professional and academic metrics. What is ChatGPT-4? ChatGPT-4 is the latest version of the ChatGPT language model developed by OpenAI. This model is based on a transformer architecture and is trained on massive amounts of textual data to generate human-like responses to certain prompts. The name of the model, GPT, stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer, which describes how it is pre-trained on large datasets to learn about language structure and semantics. What makes ChatGPT-4 different from its predecessors? ChatGPT-4 has many unique features that make it stand out from its predecessors. First, it has a larger training dataset, which means it can access a wider range of information, making it smarter and more versatile. Second, it has a more robust neural network architecture that enables it to process information more efficiently, resulting in faster response times. Finally, ChatGPT-4 has a better understanding of context, allowing it to generate more coherent and accurate responses. Features of ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4 has several advanced features that set it apart from its predecessors. Some of these features are enhanced natural language generation. The model has been tuned over many datasets to improve its ability to generate natural-sounding responses to various prompts. This means that it can produce more coherent and relevant responses to user queries, resulting in a better conversation experience. Expanded knowledge base. ChatGPT-4 has access to a huge amount of data, including books, articles, and websites, making it one of the most knowledgeable conversational AI models around. This allows it to provide insightful responses to user inquiries, regardless of the topic. Multimedia input. ChatGPT-4 can process not only text input, but also audio and video input, making it a more versatile conversational AI model. This allows them to engage in more diverse types of conversation, including audio and video chats. Learning transfer. A model can transfer its learning to new domains and tasks, which means it can quickly adapt to new situations and contexts. This is an important feature because it allows the model to continue optimizing even after its initial training. Impact of ChatGPT-4 on conversational AI. The release of ChatGPT-4 has several implications for the conversational AI field. Some of these effects include enhanced conversation experiences. With its advanced features, ChatGPT-4 can provide a more natural and engaging conversation experience. This means that users can interact with conversational AI models more seamlessly, leading to greater adoption of these models. More realistic chatbots. The improved natural language generation capabilities in ChatGPT-4 mean that chatbots can generate more realistic, human-like responses. This can help improve the quality of customer service, among other things. Advancements in other areas of AI. ChatGPT-4's ported learning capabilities mean that it can quickly adapt to new areas and tasks. This could lead to advances in other areas of artificial intelligence, such as image recognition and speech recognition. What is the difference between ChatGPT-4 and previous versions of Chat? As an AI language model, ChatGPT-4 is an upgraded version of its predecessors, ChatGPT 1, 2, and 3. Here are some of the differences. Training data. ChatGPT-4 is trained on a much larger and more diverse data set than its predecessors. This means he has access to more information and can generate more accurate responses. Model architecture. ChatGPT-4 uses a more advanced adapter architecture than its predecessors. This allows them to handle longer, more complex inputs and generate responses that are more coherent and contextual. Improved language capabilities. ChatGPT-4 has better natural language understanding than its predecessors. It can recognize and generate more idioms, handle more complex sentence structures, and better capture nuances of meaning and tone in language. Enhanced training technologies. ChatGPT-4 is trained using more advanced technologies such as curriculum learning and data augmentation. This helped them learn more efficiently and generate more diverse, high-quality responses. Overall, ChatGPT-4 represents a significant improvement over its predecessors in terms of language capabilities, model syntax, and training techniques. This makes it a more powerful tool for natural language processing and conversation generation. Thank you for watching this video about ChatGPT-4. If you have any questions or comments about the platform, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.